In this video, we're going to take a look at the SE Electronics Dynacaster dynamic broadcast style microphone. It seems like everyone is using a Shure SM7B or an EV RE20 or 320 for their podcasts and videos these days, but recently I discovered this SE Dynacaster and I was really impressed with the features and sound quality for the price. This microphone has the versatility to sound like the RE20 and the SM7B. It doesn't require an external preamp, and it's cheaper than either of them. I reached out to SE and they sent me this mic at a discounted price to make this video, and I get to keep the mic, but all the thoughts in this video are my own. The Dynacaster is a dynamic broadcast style microphone with an integrated preamp and tone shaping switches. It has 6 total EQ configurations and an integrated dynamite preamp which boosts the signal by 30 decibels. This comes in handy to turn down your preamp gain on your camera, audio interface, or your audio recorder. This will give you a much clearer sound with lower background noise. The dynamite preamp and EQ settings use recessed dip switches so they don't accidentally get flipped. The preamp requires phantom power, but the EQ switches work without phantom power. The low frequency switch can either be set to flat, low cut, or low boost. The low boost is really nice if you're farther away from a microphone to add fullness, and the cut can be really useful for lowering the proximity effect when someone's right up on the microphone. I found that I like the cut position the best, but all three sound great. The high frequency switch is flat in the downward position, and then in the middle it acts as a high boost that just adds a little bit of clarity. And then in the upper position, it acts as a presence boost, which can help add extra brightness when a room is absorbing too much sound. I found that I like this switch best in the center to add clarity without being too harsh. The Dynacaster features all metal construction and has an integrated 3-layer pop filter that really helps level out the plosives. It has a tightening knob on the side, and the pop filter comes off in 3 pieces for easy cleaning and sanitization. The XLR jack feels solid, but I don't really like the fact that the jack is so close to the mounting threads. This can sometimes get in the way with certain boom arms unless you use a quick release or some sort of tube extension. Let's test out the different switches on the Dynacaster. This is a test of the SE Electronics Dynacaster with all switches set to stock. This is a test of the Dynacaster with the Dynamite preamp boost activated. This is a test of the Dynacaster with the high boost on. This is a test of the Dynacaster with the presence boost on. This is a test of the Dynacaster with the low cut on. This is a test of the Dynacaster with the low boost on. This is a test of the Dynacaster with the mic set to stock and my Zoom H5 set to 6. This is a test of the Shure SM7B with the mic set to stock and my Zoom H5 set to 6. This is a test of the SE Electronics Dynacaster with all switches set to stock and the Dynamite preamp on. This is a test of the Shure SM7B with the SE Electronics external Dynamite preamp and all settings at stock. At $289, this microphone is not cheap, but I feel like you get tremendous value for the price, especially when you compare it to an SM7B. If you spend $400 on the SM7B and then you add a microphone preamp booster, then that adds another $100 to $150. And all of a sudden that makes this microphone hundreds of dollars cheaper than the Shure, and you don't have to run any extra gear or extra cables to use the booster. I also love all the tonal options that you get with this microphone. You can get the SM7B sound, or you can also modify it to sound close to an RE20, or it can kind of do its own thing. This is a mic that has so many great sounds depending on your setup and situation. I would definitely recommend this microphone to someone who wants to stand out from the crowd of SM7Bs and other popular podcast microphones. In my opinion, this mic sounds just as good, if not better, than any other offering on the market at this time, especially when you consider the price, the tone shaping options, and the built-in preamp. The Dynacaster sounds and looks great, and it has so many tone shaping options to help speed up your recording and post-production workflow. If you're interested in trying out a Dynacaster, I have links in the description below. And if you found value in this content, please like this video so more people can see it. If you want to see my Dynacaster DCM3 and DCM6 reviews, please subscribe to my channel as I'll be posting those very soon.